Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can automatically send high quality media on WhatsApp. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my WhatsApp, and usually if we want to send high quality photo or video, we need to set it to HD quality. I'm going to, for example, send this photo. If we want to send high quality photo, we need to go to the HD and we have to select the HD quality, and the photo will be set to HD quality. And here I'm going to show you how we can automatically send the high quality media. We can go to the WhatsApp setting, and then I'm going to go to the storage and data. Okay, then go to the media upload quality. Then you can select HD quality, then click on save. So after you activated the HD quality on your setting, your media you will send to your contact in WhatsApp will be automatically set to HD quality. Alright guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!